Hello. In this video I will be teaching you about graphing on the coordinate plane. Graphing on the coordinate plane is 2D graphing, which means that it is fundamentally the same as plotting points on a number line. The only difference is that graphing a point on the coordinate plane is like plotting a point on two number lines at the same time. This box with all the smaller boxes inside it is the coordinate plane. It is where you graph points and many other things. This horizontal line is the x-axis, and this vertical line is the y-axis. Each axis is like a number line. This point where they meet in the middle is called the origin. As you can see, the coordinate plane is divided into 4 sections by the axes. These sections are called quadrants. They are numbered in order going counterclockwise. Quadrant 1 is on the top right. Quadrant 2 is on the top left. Quadrant 3 is on the bottom left. And Quadrant 4 is on the bottom right. Points are represented by their coordinates, which are written in parentheses with the x value on the left and the y value on the right separated by a comma. This is shown on the right with x and y as variables. As you can see, this coordinate plane only shows x values from -7 to +7 and y values from -7 to +7. Every coordinate plane is sized and scaled differently and will show different values, but in reality all coordinate planes range from -infinity to +infinity in both the x and the y axes. No coordinate plane would show all those values, because that would be impossible to do. Essentially each coordinate plane is zoomed in a different amount, to show a different range of values. Let's try graphing a few points on this coordinate plane. Here we have the point 3, 5. Now, remember, the number on the left is the x value and the number on the right is the y value. So, in order to graph this point we have to start from the origin and move to the right 3 spaces on the x-axis just like we would on a number line. Then from that spot we have to move up 5 spaces as if we were plotting a point on an invisible vertical number line. Now we draw a point in this new spot, like this. And there you have the point 3, 5. Now let's try graphing the point -5, 2. First we start at the origin and this time we are going to move left 5 spaces because the x is -5. Then we move up 2 spaces and draw a point there, like this. And there you have the point -5, 2. Now let's try graphing the point 4, -6. First we start at the origin and move right 4 spaces. Then we move down 6 spaces, because the y value is -6. Then we draw a point there, like this. And there you have the point 4, -6. Now let's try graphing the point -4, -5. First we start at the origin, then move left 4 spaces then down 5 spaces and draw a point there. And there you have the point -4, -5. Now let's try graphing the point 0, 0. As you can see, both the x value and the y value are 0, which means that all we have to do here is put a point at the origin, like this. Thank you for watching this video lesson on graphing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you would like to see more similar videos you should subscribe. Goodbye.